long drive didn't push through. So what's going on now is that I'm doing the laundry. The thing is, it's a lot of laundry and it's so cold. I know it's not gonna dry up anytime soon, so I'm heading to the laundromat to dry it. So we're gonna spin dry the laundry and make sure they dry up. Also have a doona here. It's so huge. I can't watch them at home. How's your Saturday, everyone? Mine's cold. Really cold today. But good thing we did have sinuglaw and kinilaw. It's like roasted pork, no, grilled pork, and some, hold on. Like I was saying, we had sinuglaw, which is grilled pork, and some tuna. What do you, kinilaw? What do you say that in English? I don't know. Sushi. I don't know. Basta mona siya. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So there's the laundry. I was there before. This guy's somewhere there. Takes a long time to be done. But yeah. Okay, I'm in the car right now and I'm waiting for the laundry to finish. I mean the dryer to finish. I think it's done. There's nothing turning in there. I need to go inside and check. Yep. Okay, so I'm done with the laundry now. And this is me in my natural state. I'm not fixing my hair, I'm not fixing everything. Okay, so yeah, that's me. Anyway, oh, this is 40 road. I'm heading towards Kmart now to get some stuffs there, because the best store in Australia is Kmart. They're open 24 hours. Whenever you need something, whenever I go on a trip, whenever I just want to buy something, get cool shirts, I go to Kmart. So right now I'm heading to Kmart to get some supplies. Just finished with the laundry. It took me a long time because I didn't expect there were heaps of laundry. And yeah, so off we go. Wow, what the fuck is wrong with the music? Okay, just come to a realization that oh shit, it's fogging my screen. Hold on. Oh shit, it's foggy. I can't see anything in the road. My god. My god. The screen's gone. And my windshield's gone. Anyway, I've come to a realization that fuck, I can't think. Okay, apparently, oh, it's not focusing. Okay, apparently, you can hear the fan so noisy now because I turned on the blower because I set the fan too hot, and then my windscreen got all foggy and I was freaking out. I can't see anything in the road. I wasn't really freaking out, but yeah, I think it happened. You know what? You know. Okay, where am I now? Just follow the GPS. Okay, what eventually happened was my camera's shaking a lot. Okay, what eventually happened? Fuck! Come on, camera. Stay put. Okay, what eventually happened was that I turned on the car, I turned on the blower and everything, and I didn't press the aircon, so the aircon was not on all the time, so it's heating up. And while it was heating up, fuck, let's do it again. Okay, what actually happened earlier was so stupid. I was wondering why my windscreen went foggy when it does not happen to me. Like, I was thinking something's wrong with the car, something's wrong with the air conditioning, and everything else. I panicked. I was driving and everything was so blurry and I can't see anything. And then I realized the aircon button is not on. The aircon was never on. So I was blowing heat and not neutralizing the temperature, or what do you call that? Like controlling the temperature inside the car. So yeah, that's it. It was foggy. I panicked. It smells like fun in here. Oh, I'm running 60 to